this is a log function, but how do you find its derivative? First, what we need to do is to change dy over dx to 1 over dx over dy. And since in x equals to log ex, then x equals to e power of y. So dx over dy would be e over y. And if we sub it back into 1 over dx over dy, we will get 1 over x for the derivative. Okay, now we know the derivative of in x is 1 over x, but how do we find the derivative of in function x? So what we can do is to let function x equals to u, which makes y equals to in u and u equals to function x. So the derivative of the first expression would be 1 over u based on the formula that we found earlier. Okay, now if we times these two expressions together, that would be dy over du times du over dx equals to 1 over u times the derivative of function x, which turns out to be dy over dx equals to 1 over, if we sub this part in, we'll get 1 over function x times the derivative of function x. So we'll eventually get function derivative of function x over function x. And this is the derivative of in function x. And now we know how to find the derivative of in x, which is log ex, but how do you find derivative of y equals to log any number x? By using the change of place method, log ax equals to in x over in a. You can rewrite it as 1 over in a times in x. And since 1 over in a is constant, we only differentiate the second part of the formula, which would be 1 over x based on the first formula. So the derivative of log ax would be 1 over x times in a. Okay, that's it for the derivative of logarithmic functions. I hope this video helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.